Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to install Stremio on your Android TV box so you can stream movies and shows easily. If you've tried to find Stremio on your Android TV and couldn't, it's usually because the app isn't directly available in the Play Store on some TV boxes. This can make installation confusing. Don't worry, I'll show you simple, safe ways to get Stremio running on your Android TV box. Now, let's tackle the problem. Method 1. Install via Google Play Store if available. Open the Play Store on your Android TV box. Search for Stremio. If it appears, just click Install and wait for it to finish. Some TV boxes won't show it in the store, so don't worry if you don't see it. Method 2. Sideload Stremio APK. Download the official Stremio APK from Stremio.com using your PC or mobile. Transfer the APK to your TV box via USB drive or cloud storage. Open the APK with a file manager app on your TV box and install it. Make sure Install from Unknown Sources is enabled in your TV box settings. Method 3. Use Downloader app for direct APK installation. Install a Downloader app from the Play Store on your TV box. Open Downloader, enter the Stremio APK URL, and download it directly. After download, follow the prompts to install. Method 4. Log into Stremio. Once installed, open Stremio and log in with your account. This will sync your library and any add-ons you use on other devices. Method 5. Install verified add-ons. Go to the add-ons catalog inside Stremio and install verified legal add-ons. This ensures your movies and shows stream safely without broken links or malware. And that's it. Stremio should now be installed on your Android TV box and ready for streaming. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more easy streaming tutorials.